Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to pin a channel on the WhatsApp app for PC using the new update. If you follow these easy steps, you'll have your favorite channels ready and right at the top of your list in no time. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and connected so you can see your chats and channels on the left panel. The latest update has made managing channels a lot simpler and more organized. Next, look at the icons on the left side of your screen. You'll notice a channel icon. It looks like a small broadcast symbol. Click on that icon and it will open the list of all the channels you've joined or follow. Now, scroll through the list to find the channel you want to pin. This could be a news channel, a business page, or any topic you check frequently. When you hover your mouse over it, you'll see a few options appear. Right-click on the channel you want to pin. A small menu will pop up showing a few actions you can take. From this menu, click on Pin Channel. Once you do that, the selected channel will immediately move to the top of your channel list. Channels stay at the top even when new updates come in from other channels. This makes them quick to access without needing to scroll or search every time you open WhatsApp. If you ever change your mind, unpinning a channel is just as simple. Right-click on the pin channel again and choose Unpin Channel. It will return to its normal position in your list. That's it. Now you know how to pin a channel on WhatsApp for PC using the new update. It's a small feature that can make a big difference in keeping your most important channels front and center.